This could be the car for you. The 2023 Subaru Forester. Enjoy a tour of the Subaru Forester, the compact SUV that's relaxing to drive. Spacious and refined, this crossover offers desirable safety and connectivity features at a surprisingly affordable price. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror. Feel eager for adventure in this well-equipped Forester. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.